Wise Immigration started its humble beginning in 2011. It was my brainchild to put up a company to help more Filipinos come to Canada, just like me and my family, who is now living our dreams in this land of opportunity.
We have been wanting to provide a holistic approach to the immigration industry with the presence of our office here in Canada. Soon, we will be able to reach out to all our clients around the globe. Our company strives to fulfill our customers' expectations. We do our best to provide credible and reliable information to them. We always want to bring goodwill to our services. Changes may come our way, but our mission will remain. That is, to make a difference in the society. As a very technical and hands-on person, I'm always very critical on how our company delivers to its stakeholders. It has been imprinted to each and every member of the company to uphold critical thinking, analysis, and proper information. Every day, we start our day, we strive to become better of what we were yesterday. That I am proud to say that Wise Immigration and Study Services always innovates, always update, and always aim for total customer satisfaction. By providing a credible information, we open opportunities to our fellow men. We wanted to fulfill each of every person's dreams, reunite families, and bring hope to everyone.
We are committed to be the wise option for every aspirant in pursuit of immigration and education to Canada for a better life. When you come to us, we imply quality service and excellent customer experience with your application, because we believe that because of you, we exist.
Wise Immigration and Study Services. We have been assisting and providing visa assistance services to clients from all over the world. We have successfully assisted many candidates from the Philippines in past few years and helped them achieve their dreams. Our team is composed of experienced staffs that are fully dedicated to provide you honest and up-to-date information about study and immigration programs. Wise Immigration and Study Services. Think visa, think wise.